Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Center Fresh from Clothes Easy Guide. Work quickly and blot excess residue with a dull knife, then place paper towels under the fabric to protect surfaces. Apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a cotton swab and dab the stain from the outside toward the center until it lifts. Rinse with cold water and launder, as usual, using a heavy-duty detergent for best results. Start by scraping away as much solid Center Fresh as possible with a blunt edge, keeping the fabric flat. Apply isopropyl alcohol to a cotton pad and blot the stain, working outward to prevent spread. Replace pads as they pick up residue and switch to fresh fabric underneath to absorb dissolved adhesive. After visible removal, rinse with cold water and treat with liquid detergent before washing normally to remove remaining oils and scent. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful cleaning tips. Quick recommendation: consider these leak-proof meal prep containers as a practical grab for busy days or when transporting clothes and snacks together. It keeps scents contained. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the stain resists initial treatment, prepare a warm soak with an enzyme detergent and submerge the affected area for 30 to 60 minutes, gently agitating occasionally. Avoid tumble drying or ironing until you confirm the stain is gone, since heat can set adhesive marks permanently. For silk, wool, or garments with trim, seek professional cleaning advice to prevent damage while maximizing removal success for sensitive fabrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.